Solve this exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in the exponent of this term. In order to solve this equation, you need to remove x from the exponent and then solve for it. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of an exponent is to take the logarithm of an expression, and in fact to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Here's how. First of all, on the left side of the equation, let's simplify this expression so that we get 4 to the 3 minus 2x power. This way we just have a single expression on the left, equals 64. Next, notice that 64 can be rewritten as 4 cubed. So we get 4 to the 3 minus 2x equals 4 cubed. Notice that with this equation, both terms have the same base, 4. When you have an equation like this, simply create a new equation with just the exponents. So we get 3 minus 2x equals 3. Now, whenever you see the same term on opposite sides of the equal sign, you can just eliminate those terms. So the 3's cancel out, and we're left with negative 2x equals 0. Dividing both sides by negative 2, we get x is equal to 0. In solving exponential equations, look for opportunities to rewrite expressions so that they have the same base. That way you can write equations based on the exponents.